Is My TV Android? Let's clarify. Yes, most Mi TVs run on the Android TV platform, making them Android TVs. Mi TVs feature Xiaomi's custom interface called Patchwall, which is built on top of Android TV. This provides access to the Google Play Store, allowing you to download popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and more. It also supports features like Google Assistant for voice control and Chromecast built in for seamless content streaming. The Android TV platform ensures a versatile and app-rich experience, though some users may find Patchwall's interface slightly cluttered compared to simpler systems like Roku or Samsung's Tizen OS. If you're looking for an affordable Android-based smart TV with good functionality, Mi TVs are a solid option. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.